This little machine promises to make phone screen repairs a breeze, but can it really handle the pressure? Let's find out. We've got our hands on the LCD screen separator machine, and honestly, it's a pretty impressive piece of kit for anyone who tinkers with phones, whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out. What immediately stands out is its versatility. It's not just for flat screens. This thing is designed to tackle those tricky curved displays too, which is a huge plus in today's market. It handles heating, separation, and even glue removal, all in one go. The 360-degree rotating heating platform is a game changer. Seriously, being able to spin and tilt the device you're working on makes such a difference. It's engineered with precision bearings, so it moves smoothly, allowing you to get the perfect angle for separation without stressing delicate components. This is where you really feel the quality. Precision temperature control is another big win. It's got a digital display and a simple button to dial in the exact heat you need, with less than a 2% variance. This accuracy is crucial when you're dealing with fragile screens. Plus, the heat-resistant silicone pad and included tools give you a secure grip, minimizing the risk of accidental damage. It feels reassuringly safe to use. The active buckle clamping structure is also worth mentioning. It's an adjustable splint that securely locks down phones of various sizes. This stability is key for precise work, preventing any unwanted movement during the repair process. It really gives you confidence that your device is held firmly in place. Compatibility is where this machine truly shines. It's built for both flat and edge screens, and it can handle separating screens with or without frames. This makes it incredibly useful for a wide range of repair tasks, from simple screen replacements to more complex disassembly. It's a real workhorse. With a 400-watt power output and a workbench size of 170 by 80 millimeters, it's robust enough for most common smartphone and tablet repairs. The overall build feels solid, and at 2.5 kilograms, it's got a good heft without being too cumbersome. So is it worth it? For anyone regularly performing screen repairs, this LCD screen separator machine is a fantastic investment. It streamlines the process, enhances precision, and reduces the risk of damage. It's a powerful tool that genuinely makes a difficult job much easier.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.